Welcome to our tutorial on the user pattern command. Let's deselect everything. Activate the sketch command. Let's select this face. Now double-click on the point command. And I'm going to create a few points on our face. And maybe this one. Let's exit our sketch. Deselect everything. Now let's create one more sketch. It'll be on the same face. Let's create one more point and exit the sketch. Let's deselect everything. Right here I have two features I want to pattern: the pocket and the edge fillet. Let's Control select both of them. Now we'll activate the user pattern command. Under Objects to Pattern, we have two elements currently selected. Click the icon to the right to open a definition window where you can see your selections. Here are my edge fillet and my pocket. I can opt to remove or replace them. Let's close this window. Under Position, let's select Sketch 5. Let's click Preview. My last option is the anchor. Let's select this point. And you see that all instances of the pattern moved to the left at a distance equal to the distance from this point to the feature I patterned. Let's have a preview now. And let's accept it. Double-click on our pattern in the specification tree. Let's remove the edge fillet. Remove, close, and preview. Click OK. And this concludes our tutorial on the user pattern command.